We're out by our hives here on one of our preserves where these bees are going about their business, but we've also stumbled upon a swarm in one of our preserves. So let's get a closer view and learn about why they're swarming. Honeybee swarms are an amazing sight to see. The word swarm isn't as chaotic as it sounds. I've always pictured Winnie the Pooh running away from a gang of angry bees. But in reality, the bees are calm and gentle, as this is a normal part of their annual life cycle living in a colony. Swarms can have up to 1,500 to 30,000 bees. They include the worker bees, drones, and a queen. And what they're doing is looking for a new home. So just like us, they have to go house hunting. The first signal to swarm is when the hive becomes overcrowded. When this happens, new queen cells are laid so that the hive will have a future leader when the current one leaves in the swarm. They also stop feeding the current queen so she can get in shape to make the journey. It takes 16 days before the new queens emerge. A day or two before that happens is when the move begins. The current queen of the hive leaves and takes about 1/3 to 2/3 of the bees with her. These bees must fuel up on food because they'll be sticking by their queen for the majority of the swarm. When the bees are on the move, they're looking for a tree to go to, a tree branch or shrub, about 3 to 15 feet up high. The swarm can form into like a basketball shape, football, and sometimes spread out a little further. When the bees have found a good place to rest, then they'll send out scouts to look for a new place. Honeybees are cavity nesters, so they like to live in hollow trees. This is another good reason why we keep dead trees in the forest in our yards. Now when these scouts find something great, they'll come back to the swarm and do a waggle dance. This dance will show them that they found a great place to live. The scout with the strongest and most excited dance will win over the group and they'll follow her to the new location. Back at the original hive, the new queen Hunger Games begin. One queen must defeat the others to get the crown. When she's victorious, she'll go on a mating flight. And when she's had enough time on the town, she'll come back, start laying eggs, and business continues as usual. What do you do when you find a swarm? Don't panic. These bees are just house hunting and will be gone in a few hours to a few days. You can also call a local beekeeper to move the swarm for you. Go to willbees.org to find the Will County Beekeeping Association webpage and find local beekeepers near you. And lastly, celebrate. Swarms can be a good sign that these bees are doing well in their habitat and need an upgrade to keep pollinating and to keep thriving.